Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can disable this power button opens Google Assistant in your Honor Pad X8. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe it first and like our video. So let's start. If you are facing this problem, if you just uh, uh, tap on your power button, for long press it, and then Google Assistant appears. How to disable this feature in this video: go to settings in your Honor Pad and then swipe down. You can see there is a accessibility feature. Then you friends, you can see there is a accessibility. Go to accessibility, go to shortcuts and gestures, go to Google Assistant. Here you have to wake with power button, off it, and when you press back, when you just press power button, and friends, now it is showing option restart and power off. Your this power button opens Google Assistant is disabled. This is how you can just change. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our videos for more videos. Thanks for watching.